Welcome to Henry's Show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Today we're going to do Smart Phonics 4. Unit 1. BLCLFL. Step 1. Bl, bl, bl. We can see bl, black, black. Cl, cl, cl. Clock. Fl, 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 fla. That's called blend. Blue, cl, fl. Okay, this is a blue. Fl, fl is blending. Okay, let's start with more words. Listen and repeat. Just repeat after me. Black, blade, blimp, blue, clock, clam, clap, cliff. Flag, flame, flap, flute. This is all the 12 words what you are learning. Let's turn to the next page, page 10. Find that circle. What's that? It is a blimp, but so it is not clear. So that's the answer. Okay, you think it is? Let's see. If you think it's right, you're wrong. It is flame. It is like a fire. This is more stronger word because in some writing contests, if you write some stronger words, you can get more score in my English school. And let's do blue. This is a cliff, so it is not blue. It is flat, so it is not. It is this. What word it is? Do you think it's correct? It is blade. Look, it is flag. It is clap, clam, so it is incorrect. In number 4, in blue, there's a clock, so it is not. Blimp, correct. Flame, incorrect. Flip is incorrect. It is blade. Look, it's blade. So it is incorrect. This is a cliff. It's incorrect. This is a flute. Flute is an instrument. It's a musical instrument. This flute. Number 6, cliff. The flute, clap, flag. What you think? Clap is correct. Number 1, this is a black. Number 2, clam. That's a clam. Great. Number 3, flute. That's a flute. Number 4 is blade. Number 5 is clock. Number 6 is flag. Let's turn to page 12. Blue. And I will say the word and you have to circle it and match with a quick picture. Number 2, clap. Yes, you have to circle, clap. Number 3, flute. Number 4, clock. Number 5, blade. Number 6. Flap. Read at match. The blue bike is at the gate. Yes, it's at the gate. The man plays the flute on the cliff. There it is. The man is playing flute on the cliff. The hens flap and run to the cave. They're flapping and running to the cave, so let's trace a line on there. There is a big clock in the room. Where is it? There's a big clock in the room. Last, the flag is on the pole. There it is. It is with the pole. Let's turn to next page. We have a story here. Sideboards. And around. By happy. He, her, his, is, over, sees, she, the, under. Yes, they're making it more harder. And there's more sideboards in there. In level 4. Read along. Clint sees a blimp over the cliff. He is happy and claps his hands. Flan sees a flute by the clock. She is happy and claps her hand. Han sees a clam under the flag. She is happy and flaps around. Okay, now let's do page 15. Trace and write. Number 1, blue. We have to write 3 more. The total has to be 4. Blue. This is blue. Blade. Number 3, blue, black. Number 4, cliff. Number 5, clap. Number 6, clock. Number 7, flute. Number 8, flame. Number 9, flag. Next time we're going to do unit 2. Fr. Are you ready to start unit 2 next time? Okay, get ready. See you next time. Bye.